name is Spicy. I'm very excited to start sharing my journey and my insights into the world of trading. I'll be posting about Forex, sharing my strategy, and hopefully we can learn and grow together. Let's get started.
Yeah, hello guys. For those of you that don't know, I trade set and forget strategy, and obviously I have 5P on my watch list for next week, and so let's get into it. The first pair on my list is GBP USD. GBP USD. For those of you that don't know how the strategy works, it works like doing top-down analysis. The higher time frame for the trend of the market and the lower for the entry and stuff. So the first pair on my watch list is GBP USD. If you know how to read market structure, you know this price is very, very, very bearish on the weekly time frame. So this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, and this is the lower low because it broke the structure, and this is a potential higher high, lower high to get a sell from. So the weekly time frame is bearish, and the daily time frame, is very bearish as well because this is the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low. So it broke structure here. So we are currently bearish on daily as well. So on the 4 hour as well, we are very, very bearish on 4 hour because it's very obvious. So what I'm going to be looking to do on this trade for next week is I'm going to be short USD for next week because I'm expecting price to get back to this my area of interest, then see some kind of rejection here to sell. Although if it's although it's going to reject my area of interest, previous structure point, and as well the EMA, because if this price should get to this point, we're definitely going to have this EMA across it to this point like this. So yeah, you're going to be rejecting that point. And also on 4 hour time frame too, we are going to be rejecting this same previous structure points AOI and the EMA. And yeah, obviously I took a trade on GBP last week and I got whipped out. Then it went straight into TP. But yeah, it's inevitable. So the second pair on my watch list, NZDJPY. On the weekly time frame, we are bullish. We are bullish on the weekly time frame, and on daily, we are very, very bearish. We are bearish on the daily time frame because we close below this previous structure point. Yeah, so we are very bearish here. This market broke this previous structure point here, so we are very bearish. And then on 4 hour, we are bearish as well. So what I'm to happen next week is price getting a retracement back to this point, rejecting from the previous structure point, and then sell off. So yeah, NZDJPY, we're gonna be selling next week. Euro AUD, they are very bearish on the weekly time frame. On the daily, they are bearish as well, which we are close above this previous structure point here. And on 4 hour, we are bullish as well. So I'm going to be waiting for price to make a retracement back into this point, reject the area of interest and also the EMA to go long for next week. And on Euro USD, we are very bullish on this trade on the weekly time frame, and on the daily, we are bearish. 4 hour, we are bearish as well. It's very obvious on the 4 hour that we are bearish as well. So I'm waiting to see some kind of rejection at this point, and if not at this point, but I would love it if price can make it up to this point because it's gonna be a perfect trade. I feel like this price needs more retracement into this point, so I'll be expecting price to move a little bit up to this extent, then we sell off. So that's my prediction on Euro USD. And for USD card, last but not the least, yeah, we are bearish on the weekly time frame, bullish on the daily time frame, close above this place, above the structure point, close above bullish on it, and again on the 4 hour, we are very, very, very bullish. So I'm waiting for a retracement back to this area of interest, reject this EMA. Also on the daily, I'm waiting for price to get back to here, reject this previous structure point, and then wait for some kind of rejection. And I'm gonna go long on this trade. So yeah, those are the area for next week. And thank you for watching, guys.